This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have MT5 installed and an account. Now start by logging in and confirming your server and leverage. Once logged in, open the Market Watch and drag a symbol to a new chart to begin. Make sure you choose a suitable time frame and apply default indicators only if needed. Next, check your account balance in the terminal window and enable one-click trading if you prefer speed. This initiates the workspace you'll use for placing your first orders. Now you'll place and manage trades. Open new order and decide market versus pending entry. Explain why you might use a buy stop or a sell limit. Then calculate lot size based on risk percentage of your balance and enter stop loss and take profit levels before execution. Once filled, monitor the trades tab and, if needed, modify stops or use a trailing stop to lock profits. Make sure to document trade rationale in the journal or a spreadsheet to learn from outcomes. To finish a session, close trades manually or automate exits with alerts or scripts. Once done, review account history and export a report to reconcile profit and loss. Make sure to adjust your strategy parameters based on recent performance and market conditions. If something goes wrong, like order rejections or connection drops, first check server selection, account type, demo versus live, and permissions. Then inspect the experts and journal tabs for error codes. If needed, restart MT5 and relog in to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.